No, this wasn't the match that we had scheduled.
No, but it's the match we have now.
Here she goes, back in the ring now.
Watch it!
F5. This one's over.
You're right, Cole. Nobody gets up from an F5.
Makes the cover. 1, 2, 3. What a huge win.
And here's just some of the action we saw during the match.
Here's your winner, Wildcat.
You're looking at the winner of this one-on-one match.
I can't say that I'm all that surprised by the outcome, Cole.